welcome back to my channel. First of all, Shubho Bijaya and Happy Dashera to all of you. Hopefully you have enjoyed your Durga Puja and Navaratri a lot with your family, and hopefully next year you guys will enjoy a lot more. Anyways, finally I am doing this makeup look, and after posting a video on my YouTube and also on my Instagram wearing this makeup look, you guys were bombarded me with the same question that please Reushi create this look, and finally here I am. And also at the end of this video I will show you how I take care of my skin after doing like makeup, so don't forget to watch the video till end. So if you are interested and want to see this, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so now I'm going to do my makeup, and I have already prepped and moisturized my skin, and this will take only 5 minutes, like only 5 minutes. You can literally count, and also I don't need to like fast forward the video. So first I'm going to use foundation. So for that I'm using Biotique Natural Makeup Foundation, and this is in the shade. All the links will be in the description box, so because I don't want to extend this video bar shade name bolke. And with this I'm going to mix this. This is Wet n Wild Mega Glow Liquid Highlighter, because whenever we are in hurry, we don't have like extra time to use highlighter, so it's better to use a liquid highlighter with your foundation to give you a natural glow. So I am taking this much, and also I am going to mix this. So I am going to apply this, and now I am going to blend this with my finger. So first I need to remove my rings, otherwise it will be very messy. So you just need to like use this foundation like this, like your normal cream. So now I'm going to quickly use concealer, because I have like little dark spots on my face, for I am like having breakouts badly. So I'm going to use concealer quickly, like thoda sa, not more than that. And I am using Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So yeah, and now I'm going to blend this. You can totally blend your concealer with your finger. Like under eyes के लिए तो मैं कभी भी ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर मतलब कम ही इस्तेमाल करती हूँ, अगर वो हेवी कंसीलर नहीं है तो. एंड मेबलिन का ये कंसीलर बहुत लाइट है, इट्स इजीली ब्लेंडेबल विथ योर फिंगर. लाइक लुक एट दिस, इट्स ऑलरेडी ब्लेंडेड. Okay, so now I'm going to set my foundation and concealer with the help of this. This is Fit Me Compact Powder, and this is in the shade 310 Sun Beige. And when I am in hurry, I generally prefer using compact powder rather than using loose powder, क्योंकि loose powder is little tricky to blend, and उसको blend करने के लिए almost आपको beauty blender ये सब चाहिए. So when you are in hurry, try to use compact powder, and Fit Me is like the best compact powder I have ever used. So I'm going to quickly set my face and also my concealer. So मैं ये इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ जो स्पंज इसके साथ आता है. And now I'm going to quickly draw my eyebrows. So eyebrow के लिए मैं इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ this is LA color eyebrow pencil, and this is in the shade dark brown. मैं इसे इसीलिए इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ because it has a fully opposite side, so it will be very easy to do your eyebrows quickly. And try to use a brown color eyebrow pencil instead of using like black color. Okay, so my brows are on, and you guys know that brows is like my obsession. Anyways, now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. So before that I need to hydrate my lips. So I am using Nivea lip balm, and now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. So for that you just need one brush and one nude eyeshadow palette. Like this is like one of the best nude eyeshadow palette. Not only this, Wet n Wild का जितने भी eyeshadow palette, nude eyeshadow palette है, those are outstanding. First I'm going to use this color, and I will dust it off on all over my eyelid and also on my crease. And you don't need to be precise, honestly. This is like just to give a depth on your eyes, nothing more than that. And yeah, so now I'm going to use this rusty orange color, and I'm going to mix these two color. Like ये rusty orange है, and ये like थोड़ा सा brownish color है, and I'm going to mix this together. Okay, so this time I'm not going to use this color on my crease. I will use this only on my lid. As you can see, I'm just using it on my lid, and you don't need any other brush. One brush is enough. and yeah, I'm almost done. And now I'm going to take this kind of a short brush, like you can say this is really very short, and I'm going to take this rusty color and I will apply this under my eyes, like lower lash line पे मैं इस्तेमाल करूँगी, not under my eyes. So now only thing is left is mascara. So I am using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I am not going to use. Oops, okay. And I am not going to use any falsies, by the way, because honestly, अगर you are in hurry, you don't have any time to use falsies. So I am just using mascara. And look at my eyelashes. Why you need falsies, by the way? If you have a good mascara, you really don't need any falsies. And before applying mascara on my lower lash line, I'm going to use a kajal. This is Nykaa Glamorous Eye Kajal, and this is in the shade, I think, sea green. And you need this kind of a kajal. Believe me, invest on this kind of a glittery kajal. It will like quickly pop up your eye look. Even if you are not using any eyeshadow or anything, just use this kind of a glittery kajal and you are good to go. And this is, I think, in the shade sea green, and this is like my favorite shade. The shade is really very pretty. Look at the shade. I just love this. And also this is like waterproof. Even अगर आपने कोकोनट ऑयल इस्तेमाल नहीं किया है तो इसको, इस काजल को रिमूव करना इज रियली वेरी हेक्टिक. इवन बायोडर्मा की जो माइसेलर वाटर है उससे भी ये बहुत लाइक आपको बहुत मेहनत करना होगा इसको रिमूव करने के लिए. दिस मच ऑफ longevity it has. And my eye makeup is 100% done, and now I'm going to quickly do my face makeup. फेस मेकअप में कुछ ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ऑनेस्टली, सिर्फ मैं ब्लश इस्तेमाल करूंगी एंड लिपस्टिक एंड दैट्स इट. सो ब्लश के लिए आई एम यूजिंग दिस इज एट्यूड हाउस एंड दिस इज लिप एंड चीक टिन, एंड दिस इज लाइक माई करेंट ऑब्सेशन. लाइक दिस कलर इज सो प्रिटी, एंड इसका कलर आई थिंक है व्हाट इज द कलर, ओके डोंट वरी, आई एम गोइंग टू लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स सो यू कैन go and check. And to blend this, you just need your finger and that's it, and it will give you like a natural blushy cheek. It will not look like आपने बहुत सारा blush इस्तेमाल किया है. It is as natural. Like look at this. Like I am obsessed with this. And even अगर आप face to face इसको देखोगे तब भी ये बहुत natural दिखेगा. This is not like something very vibrant. And the color is actually I love the most. And also generally lip and cheek tint जो होता है वो hardly 2 to 3 hours last करते, but it will last at least for 7 to 8 hours. And जब आप lip और cheek tint या फिर blush भी इस्तेमाल करते हो, so don't forget to use blush on your nose. Like ऐसे अगर जाएगा it will look like more precise and more professional. So this is like one of the best combo I have ever used. This is from Blue Heaven, and this is in the shade Satin Oak, and this is Nude Lips. So first I am going to use this Satin Oak color, and this is like a dark chocolatey shade. So I am going to use first. Look at the color, it's beautiful on its own also, but this is little dark, at least for me. मैं इतना ज़्यादा dark color नहीं पहनती हूँ. So on top of it I am going to use this color, and ये खराब हो गया है anyways. This is one of the best nude combo ever, at least for me. I just love this combo, and ये दोनों मिला के बहुत अच्छा शेड देते हैं इंडिविजुअली से भी. And yeah, my makeup is 100% done, and as you can see it takes only 5 minutes to do. Like मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा बातें कर रही थी इसीलिए it takes more than 5 minutes, but जब आप इसे खुद करोगे so it takes only 5 minutes. So yeah, my makeup is done, and I'm going to quickly do my hair, and I will be right back. Okay, so you have already seen my final look intro पे. So now I'm going to show you कि makeup के बाद मैं कैसे अपनी skin care करती हूँ. So as you can see, I have already cleared all my makeup, but I haven't used any face wash now. So now I'm going to use face wash to clean my face. So first I'm going to use this. This is Theoli Vitamin C face wash. This face wash has vitamin A, vitamin E, saffron, green tea, aloe vera and so many of good ingredients, and this face wash has little bit of shiny effect on it, so you can clearly see that when I am applying the face wash my skin looks really glowing. And this face wash helps to refines your skin texture and also helps to clear and your skin and give you a radiant skin tone. Okay, so I have washed my face and I have nothing on my face right now and my skin looks really very glowing, which you need, like your skin needs to look really very glowing but naturally. So now I'm going to like tone my face, because after face wash toner is really very important to maintain the pH balance of your skin. So for that I'm going to use the same range का toner मैं इस्तेमाल करूँगी. This is Theoli and this is their vitamin C and rosehip face toner. Okay, so rosehip oil helps to tone and rebalance your skin, while vitamin C and aloe vera is for hydrate and naturally balanced skin. And this toner helps to remove hyperpigmentation and dark spots also and act as an anti-aging property too. And it helps to minimize your pores and it give you a healthy and beautiful radiant skin. So I just love this toner. So my face is now healthy and glowing. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you have liked it and hopefully you have enjoyed watching this video. So finally मैंने ये कर लिया है. So if you are going to create this look, don't forget to tag me. I would love to see that. And hopefully आपने मेरा जो after makeup की जो skin care है वो भी आपने पसंद किया है. I will link down everything in the description box, including that face wash and toner too. So if you are interested, go and check that. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit the like button, क्योंकि आपने बहुत सारा request किया था इसलिए मैंने ये वीडियो किया है. So please do like this video and also do not forget to comment down below if you like this video or not. So see you on my next video. Till then, bye, stay happy and the most importantly stay safe and stay home.